sun is sinking low, the sky is fire. Your memory burns, takes me higher. The dusty road beneath my feet leads me back to where our hearts would meet. Every mile I ride, I feel you near. Whispers of love I still wanna hear. Right into the sunset with you by my side, through the open fields where dreams collide. Every heartbeat echoes, every tear I've known. Right into the sunset, never ride alone. The night is calm, the stars align. I see your face, your hand in mine. Through storms and rain, I'll find my way to hold you close at the end of day. Let's chase the horizon, leave the past behind. In this love forever, only you I'll find. Right into the sunset with you by my side, through the open fields where dreams collide. Every heartbeat echoes, every tear I've known. Right into the sunset, never ride right into the sunset with love to guide.
Hi friends, this is Tony Aguirre. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, Tony Aguirre Music. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Your support is really important and helps me bring you more music. Thank you so much.